Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to open this thing for the BB gun. If you have one, like I do. Okay, so all you need to do is you gotta press this, then boom, you got it. Now this actually takes certain kind of ammo. Now if you don't have the certain kind of ammo, then you won't be able to shoot it. Oh, so. Kind of hard again. Oh. Now, if you don't have the certain kind of ammo for it, then you're not going to be able to shoot it. Now, this actually takes like a thing like those silver little round bullets. And if you want to shoot it, you have to press this button because this is the safety button. You push that. And then if you don't have a conch already, hold on. If you don't have a conch, you just simply do that. And then if you want to put it back on safety and keep it conked, you just put it back there. And I was also trying to hit that cannon that I was actually using a can for target practice. It's right over there. And yeah, that's it. That's the tutorial of how to open and load a BB gun. Bye.